Moncescans, it's your Mama Mo here to greet you Kong Hifa Choi. Happy Chinese New Year! If you grew up in the Philippines like me, you would have experienced the Chinese New Year by having your Chinese friends give you peanut candy, a treat called tikoy, and greeting you with red envelopes with money in it. Well, here in Canada, I don't see much of the tikoy, which is a glutinous rice flour treat. But anyway, I was able to make this on my own. So if you watch this video, you can make your own tikoy as well. Did you know that 2023 is the year of the water rabbit? And they said that 2023 is a year of hope. So I do hope I will be able to learn more of those baking recipes, breads, cakes, and all that. And my hope for all of you is peace and prosperity. Happy Chinese New Year!